The CRV has a bunch of scratches on it like this one. They're not particularly deep scratches. You can feel them with your finger. I'm going to try a couple of ways to get these scratches out. I'm going to try the NuFinish Scratch Doctor. NuFinish. Shake it up. And I've also got some of this medium cut cleaner from Meguiar's. They do this scale along the left-hand side here from light action abrasive to strong action abrasive. 10-point scale. This is scale 7 on the scale. So more toward the heavier cut. They call it a medium cut. It's got some grit in it. We'll shake that up too. So this scratch feels about the same. From side to side, it looks about the same. I'm going to put the NuFinish on the left side and the Meguiar's on the right side and see what the difference might be. I just got a clean microfiber cloth here. Do the NuFinish first. Whoa! Comes out fast. It's probably too much, but oh well. So I'll do about half on this side. This half right here. Now it says, if you read the instructions, which we don't always do, apply with a clean soft cloth, let dry to a haze and wipe off with a soft cloth. So you basically just buff it until, in a perfect world, that scratch comes out. Okay. Well, it's definitely lighter. Put a little more pressure on there. Come on, baby. Let it dry for a minute. And we'll just go to a different part of the cloth and kind of buff it off. Well, that's a little bit disappointing. I think it's a bit lighter, but not much. Okay, let's try the Meguiar's. Just go to the other side of the same cloth. All right, Meguiar's. This one I've had for a long time. It's a bit caked up here. Okay. And we'll do the right-hand side. This one you can feel there's a bit of a grit to it, where the NuFinish felt very slippery. Now this may put some streaks in the paint too, which we'll have to buff out with a polish and put a coat of wax on, because it does have a bit of a grit to it. You could put this on a power polisher as well, but I just kind of wanted to do it by hand and compare to the NuFinish. That's actually taking the scratch out, you know? I can feel, and you can hear it probably, my nail on that side. But to a lesser extent on this side. So the Meguiar's is really kind of eating into that scratch, which I kind of expected. It's a pretty heavy cleaner. Tempted to switch to the power polisher, but just stick with this for a minute. Well, it's just about gone. Do a little bit more. Go the other way for a bit. Up and down, side to side, diagonally. Well, I would say it's pretty much gone on the right side with the Meguiars. The NuFinish didn't quite do it. I think the NuFinish is good for lighter scratches, like more subtle things, but ultimately if you want to get a scratch out, you kind of got to dig into it, and that's where something like a Meguiar's will be helpful. So there you have it. I'm going to keep working on this with the Meguiar's. And then clean up some of the swirl marks if there are any, and then put a little coat of wax on it and call it a day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.